All right, this is the finished product of the maple over here in Rossmoor. So let me just go ahead and, it's got 3 coats of the Loba Invisible. You guys could see it looks great. See how it just brightens up the room. Take you guys through here. Just where we took that line. It's the dining area. Thing looks super, super great. Took those reducers down. Master bedroom, the closet. Everything looks great. They already put their bed back, so that's good. Let me just take us one more right here. See all that detail. I mean, wow, just what a difference from that orangey color that was here. Okay, that's the music room. So we took it all the way to that line as far as we can. Right, everything looks great. And last bedroom. So remember, we did this as well, so it all blends. But super happy. Have a good day, everybody.